With some right-wing groups now giving a call to boycott halal meat, BJP National General Secretary CT Ravi likened halal food with economic jihad. For the past few days, there was a flurry of messages on social media appealing to Hindus to shun halal meat, especially after Ugadi, which is the Hindu New Year festival. A day after Ugadi, a section of non-vegetarian Hindus offer meat to God and celebrate the new year. Many offer such meat, which some right-wing activists are asking people to skip. This call comes close on the heels of ban on Muslim vendors around temples during the Hindu religious fairs in parts of Karnataka. Halal is an economic jihad. It means that it is used like a jihad so that Muslims should not do business with others. It has been imposed. When they think that halal meat should be used, what is wrong in saying that it should not be used? Ravi asked the reporters.
Who have called for boycott the halal mutton, what is the responsibility of this government? No specific decision taken by this government about all these developments, where they were going to stand in future days.
Meanwhile, former Chief Minister and JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy denounced such trends and asked Hindu youth to not spoil the state, which is a guardian of racial peace and faith. I want to ask the government where you want to lead this state to. With folded hands, I ask Hindu youth not to spoil the state, Kumaraswamy said.